Now let's be sure the machine wheels are properly adjusted and making good contact with the lower carriage rails. Wiggle the machine to see if it is firmly seated on the rails. Watch the wheels to detect any lifting off the rails. If necessary, use your Allen wrench to adjust the wheels up or down as shown here. Repeat the tests and adjustments as necessary until your Innova rides smoothly on all four wheels. Now let's be sure the lower carriage wheels are properly adjusted and making good contact with the long rails. In this demonstration, you can see that one wheel is not making good contact and therefore the carriage has a wobble. The adjustment is made by loosening the wheel mount with the proper hand tools, repositioning the wheel until it has good contact with the rail, and then retightening the wheel in place. Test again and adjust as necessary to achieve a solid base that freely rolls on the rails.